What's up guys, Joey here of Tech, and another year, another Kirin 710F powered device. We have here the Huawei Y9s, so yes, we're checking this phone out today, but first let's take it out of the box. Lifting up the lid, we get the phone itself first, which we shall set aside for now. Then we get a smaller box that as usual has our free clear case, SIM ejector tool, and paperwork. Finally, we get the charger, USB Type-C cable, and a pair of 3.5mm earphones. Now, taking a closer look at the device, of course, the most apparent thing here is that we get an all-screen display, which is thanks, of course, to a pop-up selfie camera. More on that later. The screen is a 6.59-inch IPS panel with a resolution of 2340 by 1080, so far, pretty standard fare for a mid-range device. Heading to the back is an almost bare panel aside from the triple rear camera setup, which consists of a 48MP main sensor, 8MP ultra-wide, and 2MP depth sensor, plus an LED flash. No fingerprint scanner found here at the back, but neither is there a scanner underneath the screen. No. Instead, we get a side-mounted fingerprint scanner on the right side, which doubles as the power button as well. This is a setup I've actually grown to appreciate since it's pretty easy to reach the scanner with either your thumb or index finger. It's seated below the volume rocker. Down at the bottom, we get our headphone jack, USB Type-C port, main microphone, and loudspeaker. While up top, we get the earpiece, hybrid nano SIM tray, and the pop-up module that houses a 16MP selfie shooter. Under the hood, we get a Kirin 710F chipset, which at this point is pretty dated. 6GB of RAM, 120GB internal storage, and a decently sized 4000mAh battery, which unfortunately only takes standard 10W charging. Software-wise, we get Android 9 Pie with EMUI 9.1 on top, so yes, for now, we still do get Google Mobile Services with this phone. For cameras, we'll save the full evaluation for our full review, but for now, check out these sample shots. The Huawei Y9s is priced at 13,990 pesos if you guys are interested. And on that note, what do you guys think about the Huawei Y9s? Let us know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon to receive new future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.